Approximately 300 meters from the Zapian is the Temple of the Olympian Zeus, a name originating from his position as the head of the Olympian god, the god of sky and thunder. Construction began in 515 BC during the rule of the Athenian tyrant, who envisioned building the greatest temple in the ancient world, but was not completed until the reign of Roman Emperor Hadrian in 131 AD, some 638 years after the project began. During the Roman period, the temple had 104 colossal columns and was renamed as the largest temple in Greece and housed one of the largest cult statues in the ancient world. The temple's glory was short-lived, as it fell into disuse after being pillaged during a barbarian invasion in 267 AD, just about a century after its completion. The temple suffered over the centuries, and much of its material was reused in other buildings, including houses and churches of medieval Athens. As a result, today, only 15 of its original columns are still standing.